and welcome to my craft channel. Today's project is a simple yet beautiful cluster of paintings you can create and add to any room or home to add some glam. There is no exact science to this project, which is awesome because you can truly make it your own. So now with that, let's get started. For this, I used 4 small square canvases from Michaels, some acrylic paint, chunky and fine silver and champagne colored glitter, paintbrushes, a bowl for water, and some paper towels. I also used some strong adhesive and Mod Podge to add the glitter and the gems to the painting as well. I like to prep my blank canvases with a little water just to activate it. I learned this little trick in high school art class, but I believe it helps move the paint around and create a more even surface. I let that dry for a little bit and began painting and adding my first color. I started to do this fun, funky design, and I ended up scrapping that whole idea and just painting the whole thing the darker color. The great thing about acrylic paint is that you can constantly keep adding paint over it, the existing paint that was already there, and it was like the coating was never there in the first place. It's awesome stuff. I went ahead and added just a few different colors. I have an asphalt gray and a pewter that I went over in various places on the canvas. And then I took a wet paper towel and dabbed it onto the canvas to create a pressed look. I added in some pearl colored paint on top and dabbed that with a towel as well to add it and blend in a little bit more of a highlighted color to it. If you add too much paint like I did here, no worries. Just quickly dab the towel in a little bit more water and press down with a little bit more pressure than you normally do, and it should come right out. Kind of like removing a stain on something. Always dab and don't scrub. Continue to blend as desired. I like to alternate between a wet and dry paper towel just to get a cleaner blend, so feel free to use this trick too. And now do the same for all the other canvases. And a pro tip is to use a hairdryer after you're done for quick and easy drying. Now onto my favorite part. Take a bigger brush and add some Mod Podge to the first layer of bristles on the brush. You can use a little brush, but I like the way the streaks on the bigger ones show up. Go into the streaking motion with a soft and light pressure and add your desired design. Grab some glitter and sprinkle that sparkly dust on. I went a little heavier on the silver fine glitter and lighter on the gray and champagne mix. And then do the same for the others. Now you can definitely stop right there, but I wanted to add a little bit more, so I went ahead and added diamond filler confetti and rhinestones just for a little extra shine. I added these on with some E6000. Let that dry and boom, you have it. These are super cute to add to any room, and you can set them up however you like. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked this video, feel free to click that like button and subscribe. I make a new video every other Thursday. I hope you have a great day and a happy Valentine's Day. Take care and goodbye.